Okay, so that's the right lung, so we can appreciate the oblique fissure, and then you can appreciate the horizontal fissure. So horizontal fissure and then oblique fissure there, which is where my hand is. Oblique fissure and then horizontal fissure. And then looking at the right lung from the mediastinal surface. So this is the main bronchus, and then these are the pulmonary arteries, and this is a pulmonary vein. And you can appreciate that this is a pulmonary vein because the walls are quite collapsed, very flaccid. So there's a pulmonary vein, and these are pulmonary arteries. Unfortunately, you can't palpate, but I can. But if you palpate the walls, they are quite rigid, quite muscular. So these are pulmonary arteries, and then this is more rubbery. So it's obviously cartilage, which means this is the main bronchus. So main bronchus, pulmonary arteries, pulmonary veins, and a pulmonary vein there as well. So we appreciated the thoracic impression on the left, thoracic impression of the aorta. So here, not so clear anymore as well, but this is supposed to be the impression for the esophagus. So that would be there. So yeah, this is the right lung.
The lungs are showing.
Okay, this is the superior pole, the inferior pole of the kidney. This is the renal vein, and then this one is the renal artery. So the renal vein is above, the renal artery is below. Where's the renal artery? The renal artery divides into segmental arteries, which will, within the kidney, become interlobar arteries. So renal artery divides into segmental arteries, which will become interlobar arteries that will supply the renal lobes within the kidney. So these lobes are within the medulla. So now going in, this is the renal cortex. So if we can try to look a little bit more closely, you can see that the renal cortex has these structures that are going in like a V, sort of a shape, a V shape like that. So there, this point, so from there to there would be one renal pyramid there, and then in between the renal pyramid you have a renal column. So renal pyramid, renal column, renal pyramid, renal column, and then these nipple-like structures here, these are the renal papillae. And then you have these openings here, which are openings for the minor calyces. So the minor calyces will drain into these openings there, and then I need to pick something up.